Welcome to Ontario, a land of remarkable diversity and breathtaking natural beauty. From the bustling streets of its vibrant cities to the tranquil shores of its countless lakes, this vast Canadian province offers a tapestry of landscapes as rich and varied as any on Earth. Join us now as we venture deep into the heart of Ontario, a land where towering forests give way to shimmering waterways and where ancient granite bedrock meets the boundless expanse of the Great Lakes. Over the next few moments, we will explore the hidden wonders of Ontario's natural world, from the thundering spectacle of Niagara Falls to the serene beauty of its ancient forests. Ontario is a land of dramatic contrasts, its diverse geography sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of nature. In the south, rolling farmlands and the bustling cities of Toronto and Ottawa speak to the province's urban heart. Further north, the landscape transforms, giving way to the rugged beauty of the Canadian Shield, a vast expanse of ancient rock and boreal forest. Here, amongst the sparkling lakes and granite outcrops, we find the true wilderness of Ontario, a land where nature reigns supreme. To the west, the fertile lands bordering the Great Lakes support a rich diversity of life, from the bustling wetlands of Point Pelee to the towering sand dunes of Killarney Provincial Park. And in the east, the Ottawa River carves its way through dense forests, a vital artery connecting the province's heartland to the Atlantic coast. The Boreal Forest, a vast emerald expanse stretching across much of northern Ontario, stands as one of the world's last great wildernesses. This immense forest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate and providing a habitat for countless species. Here amongst towering pines and spruce, silence reigns, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. The dense canopy above filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. This silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind through the trees, a gentle reminder of the ever-present forces of nature at work, and the occasional cry of a lone loon echoing across a still lake. The loon's call, haunting and beautiful, adds to the mystique of this untouched wilderness. Deep within this emerald realm lies Algonquin Provincial Park, a sanctuary for countless species and a testament to the enduring power of nature. This park, with its pristine lakes and dense forests, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by human hands. Moose, with their impressive antlers, roam freely, embodying the spirit of the wild. These majestic creatures are a symbol of the forest's untamed beauty. While black bears forage for berries in the undergrowth, their presence a reminder of the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The air buzzes with the activity of countless insects, a vital link in the intricate web of life that sustains this remarkable ecosystem. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in pollination and decomposition, ensuring the forest's health and vitality. And high above, the haunting call of the loon, a sound as old as the forest itself, reminds us of the wild beauty that still exists in our world. This call, echoing through the trees, is a timeless reminder of nature's enduring presence. Water is the lifeblood of Ontario, its countless lakes, rivers, and wetlands forming a shimmering tapestry that stretches across the province. These waterways are not just geographical features, they are the veins and arteries that sustain the region's rich biodiversity and human communities. From the mighty Great Lakes, vast inland seas that dominate Ontario's southern border, to the countless smaller lakes that dot the Canadian Shield, water is a constant presence in this land. The Great Lakes themselves hold a fifth of the world's fresh surface water, making them a crucial resource for both Canada and the United States. The Muskoka Lakes, with their intricate shorelines and forested islands, have long been a haven for cottagers and nature lovers alike. These lakes are a sanctuary where people come to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, finding peace and tranquility in nature's embrace. Here, the gentle lapping of water against wooden docks provides a soothing soundtrack to lazy summer days. The serene environment invites visitors to relax, unwind, and reconnect with the natural world. Further north, the Ottawa River, once a vital highway for fur traders and explorers, now offers a playground for kayakers and canoeists, its rapids and calm stretches providing a thrilling challenge for paddlers of all skill levels. The river's historical significance is matched by its modern-day appeal as an adventure destination. And in the depths of these pristine waters, countless fish species from walleye to muskellunge provide sustenance for both wildlife and humans alike. These aquatic ecosystems are vital, supporting a complex web of life that thrives beneath the surface. Ontario's diverse landscapes support a remarkable array of wildlife, from the iconic creatures of the north to the more elusive inhabitants of its southern forests. Moose, the largest of the deer family, roam the boreal forests, their massive antlers a testament to their strength. Black bears, their dark coats blending seamlessly with the shadows of the forest, are a common sight, their presence a reminder of the wild nature of this land. Deer, more adaptable and widespread, graze peacefully in meadows and forest clearings, their white tails flashing a warning signal at the first sign of danger. Beavers, nature's engineers, busy themselves building dams and lodges, their industry shaping the very landscape around them. And the air is alive with the songs of countless bird species, from the cheerful melodies of chickadees to the haunting calls of owls. Recognizing the importance of preserving its natural heritage, Ontario has designated vast swathes of land as national and provincial parks, sanctuaries where nature reigns supreme. Killarney Provincial Park, with its pink granite hills reflected in the crystal-clear waters of Georgian Bay, offers a landscape unlike any other. Bruce Peninsula National Park, jutting out into the turquoise waters of Lake Huron, protects a unique ecosystem where ancient cedar forests cling precariously to limestone cliffs. Pukasqua National Park, a remote wilderness on the rugged shores of Lake Superior, offers a glimpse into a time when nature was undisturbed by human hands. These parks, and countless others like them, stand as a testament to Ontario's commitment to protecting its natural heritage for generations to come. No journey through Ontario would be complete without a visit to Niagara Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. Here, millions of litres of water thunder over the precipice every second, creating a spectacle of raw power and beauty that has captivated visitors for centuries. The roar of the falls is deafening, a constant reminder of the immense forces at work here. Mist rises high above the cataract, creating rainbows that dance in the sunlight, adding to the ethereal beauty of the scene. But Niagara Falls is more than just a natural wonder. It is a symbol of the enduring power of nature, a reminder that some forces are beyond our control, and that we are but visitors in this remarkable world. In the southernmost reaches of Ontario, where the climate is milder and the growing season longer, lies a unique ecosystem, the Carolinian forest. This forest is a rare gem in Canada, offering a glimpse into a world that is more commonly found much further south. Here, amidst towering tulip trees and stately sycamores, a dazzling array of plant and animal life thrives. These trees, some of which can grow to impressive heights, create a canopy that shelters a vibrant undergrowth. This forest, an extension of the great deciduous forests of the eastern United States, is a haven for biodiversity, home to species rarely found elsewhere in Canada. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, each organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Pawpaw trees, their large, exotic-looking fruits, a favorite of raccoons and opossums, thrive in the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. These fruits not only provide nourishment for wildlife, but also contribute to the forest's unique character. The air buzzes with the activity of countless insects, including the striking monarch butterfly, its vibrant orange wings a familiar sight in the late summer months. These butterflies undertake an incredible migration journey, adding to the forest's dynamic nature. The Carolinian forest, a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature, stands as a testament to the rich diversity of life that can flourish even in the most unexpected of places. It is a living example of how ecosystems can thrive when given the right conditions, showcasing the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Ontario experiences 4 distinct seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique colours and offering its own unique charms. Spring brings with it a burst of new life as trees awaken from their winter slumber and wildflowers carpet the forest floor in a riot of colour. Summer transforms the province into a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with warm temperatures and sunny skies beckoning visitors to its lakes and forests. Autumn paints the landscape in vibrant hues of red, orange and yellow as the leaves of deciduous trees prepare to fall, creating a spectacle of breathtaking beauty. And winter, though often harsh, transforms the province into a winter wonderland, with snow blanketing the landscape and frozen lakes and rivers offering opportunities for ice skating, snowshoeing and other winter pursuits. For those seeking adventure, Ontario offers endless possibilities. Canoeists and kayakers can paddle the pristine waters of its countless lakes and rivers, exploring hidden coves and secluded waterfalls. Hikers can challenge themselves on the rugged trails of its provincial and national parks, their efforts rewarded with breathtaking views and encounters with wildlife. Campers can spend their nights under the stars, lulled to sleep by the sounds of nature. And in winter, the province transforms into a playground for skiers, snowboarders and snowshoers, with endless opportunities to experience the thrill of winter sports. Whether you seek solitude in nature, the adrenaline rush of adventure, or simply the opportunity to reconnect with the natural world, Ontario has something to offer everyone. As our journey through Ontario's natural wonders draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this remarkable province. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a nature lover, Ontario has something to offer everyone, from its towering forests and sparkling lakes to its diverse wildlife and breathtaking natural wonders. This Canadian gem is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing content about the world's most beautiful places. Until next time, keep exploring.